Color flow. This color flow knob activates color flow or Doppler, which add a box superimposed on 2D real-time image on the screen. The operator can control the size and the location of the color box on the 2D image. Color flow or Doppler detect the blood flow in the isolated tissue and assign color to the blood flow based upon the direction of the blood flow. Pulse wave Doppler. Pulse Doppler or spectral Doppler knob activates the pulse Doppler display. In this display, a cursor line with a gate appears in the upper half of the screen and the pulse of spectral Doppler display appears in the lower half of the screen. It can be moved by the operator and placed within a vessel as an image by the color Doppler. Pulse Doppler allow obtaining specific quantitative information about the vessel, such as SD ratio of the umbilical artery. Measurement. The measurement function or the knob can be displayed as measure or calculation on the ultrasound cursor. This function allows the operator to measure in the different formats various objectives on the screen. When the measure button is pressed, a caliper appears on the screen. Use this trackball to move the caliper to the desired location and set it. The image on the left side showing the Doppler gates of the vessels of the umbilical cord. A second caliper appears. We are still talking about the measurement. A second caliper appears, which can be set in a similar fashion. Store normal graph within the ultrasound equipment. Allowed for the determination of the gestational age and estimation of the fetal weight when fetal biometric parameters are measured. Starting an examination. Before starting an examination, it is important to ensure that the essential information about the patient is entered into the ultrasound equipment in order to be able to save the ultrasound image on the hard drive of the ultrasound machine, accurately calculate the gestational age in pregnancy, and print out the ultrasound image for documentation purpose. Minimal relative information that is required to be entered include the patient's name, date of birth, the first day of the last menstrual period. On many ultrasound equipment, a knob identified as a patient or stats lead you to this screen where this information can be entered. If you do not enter this information or any other patient identifier and the initiation of your examination, like the patient name, most ultrasound systems will not allow you to print or save image from your examination. And this is another image of the ultrasound examination, ultrasound machine. So you can go where to store the patient information and so that we're able to print and save the image.